Okay mga ka-DJ, ito yung naging fight highlights ni Lamon Rose versus Pitbull Isaac Cruz, kung saan sa huli ay diniklarang majority draw. Kayo na po ang balang umusga kung sa tingin nyo kung tama yung naging desisyon ng mga kurado. Ito po yung ilan sa mga yan. So makikita natin dito na mas agresibo si Pitbull, pakisugod, at mamaya sa round 3 po ay pinabagsak niya kasi naitukod yung gloves ni Lamon Rose sa may sahig, considered knockout po yun. So ito po yung mga highlights ng laban ng dalawa. Panoorin po natin mga kapatid.
Cruz just marching forward. Roach on his back foot gets tagged.
You always have to wonder when
I like how he's working. He's started working the body and he finishes upstairs.
So nagtataka rin ako bakit naging draw uli ang laban. Makakadalawang draw to si Lamon Rose. Yung unang laban niya kay Tank Davis na maraming nagsasabi dapat panalo siya. Dito ito draw na naman po. Tataka rin tayo. Siguro ang naging desisyon ng Horado, walang masyadong, hindi kumbinsido yung naging yung pagkapanalo ni Pitbull, kaya mas ginawa na lang yung draw. Pero bagamat may knockout, napatumban niya si Lamon Rose ng round, ay hindi pa rin binigay sa kanya yung panalo niya. Nakita naman aggressive si Pitbull. Though mas maliit siya, kita naman mas matangkad tong si Rose, mas mahabang kamay. Pero yung aggressiveness ibibigay natin kay Pitbull, hunger talaga. So hindi talaga pwedeng maliitin ko si Pitbull kasi nakalaban na rin yung Tank Davis yan, talagang muntik na rin siya. Ang totoo niyan pinabagsak niya nga si Rolly Romero dito ni Pitbull Isaac. Mating dito pag ito nakatama talaga, hindi ka titigilan. Yan dito tingnan nyo, yun, inabot ang left hook po dito siya. Tumalasik po mga ka-DJ, yan. Nabibilangan siya rito, actually dahil knockout yun, may consider na knockout po yun dahil itukod mo yung gloves mo sa sahig. Ayan, sayang lang din niya na-sustain. Maganda rin naman yung depensa na itong si Lamon Rose. Balon ni referee, ginaya si Pitbull. Sayang din niya na-sustain dito. Yan. Maganda yung patama niyang left hook na yun. Talagang ininda ni Lamon Rose.
Another left lands. Roach talking to Cruz.
Ayun, tumama na naman doon ang left hook ulit. Yan. Sayang, hindi niya na-sustain. Pinauli na ng mga power shots talaga. So, ang maganda lang dito kay Lamon Rose, hindi nagpanik. Tama rin siya. At nagawa niyang makontrol. Oy, ginawasan pala ng reduction. So, malaking points yun, malaking bagay. Parang nag-even ko rin yung knockout. Tapos binawasan siya ng reduction. Hindi pala nangyari mga kabigil. So malaking bagay yung reduction ng referee.
Yeah, definitely becoming uglier and uglier with the Roach needs to establish the jab. He just has to. And Cruz does what Cruz does, but it's just clinch after clinch after clinch.
And if they take another point away, I mean, it's going to force Cruz to, just start letting his hands go a lot more.
There's a nice sweeping left hook upstairs.
Yun nga po mga kadigi, malaking bagay yun. Siguro kung hindi nabigyan ng deduction si Pitbull dito, maaaring nanalo siya. Sayang, nakuha pa lang siyang knockout. Parang binigyan ng hato na referee niya, hitting below the belt ata. Talagang gustong pabagsakin ni Pitbull
Yeah, Cruz gotta be careful.
The right hand lands upstairs for Roach, pivoting. Final 10
medyo,
seconds
no?
of the 7th round around that
Yung
side.
aggressiveness na maganda kay Pitbull.
Deducted a point
Yung
for
bibigay ko sa kanya dito, yung aggressiveness.
gotta throw more punches in
Uy.
the clinch, but now he initiates it.
Umama naman sila.
Under
Parang
30
below the
seconds
belt
left
na
in
naman
the
yun.
ninth. Jab from Roach. Another left hand.
Tumama si Rhodes naman doon.
Turn into a bit of a
Malamang
wrestling
to
match as
magkakaroon
well.
ng rematch to mga ka-DJ
We
dahil
head to round 10. Bull has
sigurado
landed more
nabitin
body
ng mga
punches
tao.
against Roach than any Roach opponent in 17 fights tracked by
Matinding
Concrete
bakbakan
Box,
din
but his
naman
body
ginawa.
attack
Walang
has fallen off big
nga nauwi sa
time
draw.
since
Kaya
landing
malamang to
almost
may
half of
rematch
those
talaga to.
punches
At palaban
in
naman
rounds
talaga
3
to
and
si
4. And guess what? Roach has
Pitbull, hindi
outlanded
katulad ng
Cruz in
previous
each
na
of
mukhang
the last
iniwasan
4
niya na si Lamont
rounds.
Cruz na kasi natikman niya yung
Yeah,
lakas ng
they're
kamay,
showing,
malakas
and
din
you can see
sumapak tong
now
si
how
Lamont Cruz.
confident Roach is getting.
Para
Lovely
yung
more pounds
warrior
on
ko
the
si
feet.
Pitbull at saka si Lamont Cruz.
Great hook right there. The body language totally changed for Roach.
And you can't say it enough. He's taking the crowd out of the fight.
Yeah.
They exploded there for a left hand.
The triple jab from Roach splitting the guard.
But when Cruz was having success early, you couldn't hear yourself thinking
No,
here.
he definitely Roach is taking them out of the fight. And he may be taking the fight out of Cruz. Way more hesitant, way more and missing
Kitang
just
frustrated na
constantly
si
missing now.
Pitbull. Gusto niya sugulit,
And it's the
pabagsakin ko si
footwork, it's the lateral
Lamont
movement,
Rhodes,
and
pero
there you
hindi
can
niya
see
uli magawa.
Roach
No?
look, trying to be the
Yun ang maganda kay Rhodes, maganda yung depensa. Hindi siya nagpanik, hindi siya nataranta.
counter work, good right hand by Roach.
Pero nakulangan din ako kay Rhodes sa aggressiveness. Dapat siya yung malaki.
As he moves.
Siya dapat na mag-control. Nagpo-control lang ano rito si Pitbull.
Cruz has got to increase his offensive output.
Kaya mga ka-DJ, sa tingin nyo,
Yeah, Cruz is
tama
hurting
ba
himself
naging
when he gets in the
desisyon
inside.
ng mga orado
Instead
na
of letting his hands go,
talaga
he's the one
o
clinching. He's the one trying to grab on top
dapat
of the
nanalo
head.
si
Roach is
Pitbull
starting to pull away in this fight.
It feels like it on
So,
my
paki-comment lang po
scorecard,
dyan
at
kung
least 4 consecutive rounds I've given
ano
Roach.
sa tingin nyo po yung opinion po ko. So open po kayo na magbigay ng comment kahit ano po kung malaya po kayo. Wala tayong pinipili dito mga ka-DJ. Ang nakita ko dito nasa defensive mode na si Rhodes dahil nung matikman niya yung kamao ni Pitbull ng round 2. Ano na eh, more on defensive na siya eh. Sana nakita rin ng mga judges yun. Sugod na sugod si Pitbull talaga ang aggressive eh.
This crowd is on its feet,
Ayaw
just
masyado
trying to
makapag-engage sa
will
Rhodes
Cruz
yun.
back into this.
Left hook by Roach lands. The exchange. Of course, they'll scream for anything Cruz attempts as they
Kulang.
again. He's holding on to the arm of Roach.
We landed a couple of shots there, Cruz.
Minute and a half left in the fight. The crowd in San Antonio trying to will Cruz to victory.
Sigurado nabitin ng mga tao. Talagang gusto nilang makita kung sinong babagsak talaga. Hindi
Roach
nababama.
needs to make sure that he
Para yung
he
fighter
closes with a
malakas,
strong
para yung
statement of
matapang.
his own here. Just in
Yung
case those
aggressiveness
scorecards
talaga
are closer than we
nakikita
think.
mo.
Final minute of the fight.
Lalo yung ginagawa nila mga Rhodes
Cruz
counter
southpaw.
punch
Center
na ginagawa
back
nila.
squares up, but not
Yeah,
throwing any
how-
punches, and he's moving around the ring. I mean, Cruz has got to open up here. Both of them. 45 seconds left.
Wala masyado naging malinis na patamaan maliban doon sa round 3. Yun nga, bumagsak si Rhodes, binilangan. Pagkatapos nun, wala na masyadong malinaw. Wala masyadong malinis na patamaan.
Will it be a
Tapos
successful
nabigyan pa siya ng
debut at
reduction.
140 pounds for former 130-pound champion Lamont Roach Jr.
judges
Or
natin
will
dito mga
Isak
ka-DJ.
Pitbull Cruz
So, ayun po.
pick up
So,
another victory
kung
in
may comment po
140?
kayo, open po tayo. So, pakisulat na lang po dyan sa comment section kung sa tingin nyo sino ang karapat-dapat na
I
tanghalin
know
na
who I
talaga
think has won this fight, but my
kampiyon sa
opinion
dalawang
doesn't
ito.
matter.
Ayun, ito na matatapos. So, nandito na mga ka-DJ. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ano po si
after
DJ
12
Manos
rounds
sa
of
saling
action,
laban
we
lang.
go to
God
the
bless you.
scorecards. Our judge of
Bye.
ringside, Chris Tellez, scores the action 115 to 111 in favor of Isak Cruz. Judges at ringside, Nathan Palmer and Corey Santos both score the bout 113 to 113, a draw. The decision is a majority draw.
My God, for the second consecutive fight, Lamont Roach